Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel in ETL SQL Q&A station. So, in the today's session, we are discussing about the very important command of the SQL. We are talking about the alter statement. So, the alter is specifically used for the add new columns in the table, change the previous columns, add the data types or change the specific data type of the column and drop the table. Using the alter statement, we can modify, drop, and add a new columns in table. So let's begin. So firstly, we add a new column using the alter statement. So this is the specific syntax for it. Alter table, table name, add whatever the column you need, you can add it, and you must give the data type to the specific column. So alter table. Suppose I have employee info. I'll show you the suppose in my table there is no salary, so I simply use the int. So I'll show you the first table, which is I previously created. Yeah. So in it we have an employee ID, employee name, and department ID. So I want to add a salary as a new column. So I simply hit the execute. So the command is completed. You can see the message. After that, you can again select. So here you can see that the new column is added using the alter statement. So we can modify the specific column as well. If the salary column, I want to modify the data type of it. So I use the alter table, the employee info, alter column, salary, suppose I'll give. Oh, firstly I need to define this decimal. I previously created as an integer. So I want to define the decimal. So I'll give the specific precision for it and hit the query. So the command is successfully run. So again, we can give the select start from. So here is the modified, means our column data type is modified. So the third one is we can drop any specific column. Suppose I want change, drop column. So I can simply successfully run. Okay, you can see that which is I created previously, it's dropped. Now I can add the multiple columns in it. Suppose column, suppose salary with the data part type and column, so with the date even state. So here I created two columns. The command is successfully run, and again that start from. So you can see that I created two more columns using the multiple statement, using the alter statement. So, and we will meet on the next session. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And please hit the bell icon.